people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to grow your edges. Yes, the oils that you mix up to grow your edges, as well as have a strong hairline and a strong hair. Yes, but before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. If you are interested in growing your hair, having skin DIYs, then I think that's the right channel for you. So subscribe, press the bell icon, and also share to your friends. Now let's okay guys, so when you look at it closely, you can see these are my edges. Initially my hairline was from this part. I was not having any hair along this way, so I just started growing my edges with the method that I'm coming to show you. This are all my hairline. Initially I wasn't having any hair here, so you can see this also the same thing. Yes, so if you're interested in growing your hairline, and I say once again, stay tuned. Alright, so what we need for this video, how to grow your hairline today, is first of all we need shea butter. Yes, this is the original shea butter that I have here, and I have my extra virgin olive oil here. Yes, extra virgin olive oil, and I have my peppermint oil. Yes, peppermint oil stimulates blood flow into your hair scalp and also allow more hair growth. And olive oil also help in sealing moisture, and with the shea butter it locks in all LOC methods that you've applied in the oils. Yes, and the least, one of the most, we have our onion, ginger, garlic oil. This one is homemade oil. Yes, that's homemade oil. I'll leave the link in the description down below so that you learn how to make your own onion, garlic, ginger juice. Alright, so I'm going to start out by scooping some few drops. Please be mindful of how you use your mint. That's just a few drops of the peppermint. So I'll go with 1 spoonful of my olive oil. So the last step is I'm going to add my onion, ginger, garlic oil. Make sure you mix it very well. You apply those to your edges in the morning and in the evening. Alright, now we've come to the end of the video. If you're really interested in my video, don't forget to subscribe and share, and